In today's video, I will teach you how to create eye-catching Pinterest images using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, make a canvas with the standard size for Pinterest posts. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas Presets library, which contains a wide variety of canvas-sized presets for every social media and prints. A standard Pinterest post has the size of 1000 by 1500 pixels. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword Pinterest pin, and thousands of Pinterest design templates will pop up. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To replace the image on the template, simply select the image first, right-click it, and select Replace Image, then choose the source of your file on the drop-down menu. But if you would like to add another image and delete the existing one, you can simply select the image first and hit the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the image. Now, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own image. To upload your own image in PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is uploaded, simply click the image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. You can also move the image around, rotate it, or crop it. Now, to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas, and if you're starting from scratch, you can add a text box by simply going to the sidebar, open the Text tab, and either choose from PicMonkey's completely customizable text presets or add a new text box. All the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar while the text layer is selected. To change the text, simply double-click on the text and you can now freely type whatever you like on the text layer. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and browse through PicMonkey's neatly categorized graphics elements. But if you would like to narrow down your choices, simply type in the keyword related to the graphics element that you would like to find. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline, and fill your graphics element with an image. Now, just play around with your design to make it look more eye-catching. And once you're satisfied with your Pinterest post, you can now either download the image directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.